Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another episode of Restaurant Remake. Today I am doing a quiche and I look super chill today because I have my shorts, okay? Just woke up after Thanksgiving, and of course there's a bunch of leftovers, and if you have leftovers and if you need some ideas of how to take care of your leftovers, well, I have a great idea for you. You can make a quiche. So all I need was some leftover ham and collard green eggs, milk, and some seasoning, as well as cheese. And that is it. And of course the pie crust, so you gotta buy your pie crust. But if you have not yet subscribed to the Food Travel Shopping channel and you're watching the very first time, please go ahead and consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button, and also hit the like button at the end of this video so that more viewers like you can watch this video. So come and let me show you how to make this easy quiche. Okay, here are the ingredients to make our quiche. So I have 4 eggs, I have 4 ounces of the leftover collard greens, 5 ounces of leftover ham, and I have 3 ounces of Parmigiano Reggiano. So I have 1 teaspoon of the parsley flake and 1.5 teaspoon of cornstarch, a 1/4 cup of milk, and I bought a pre-made pie crust. So let me show you how simple you can take your leftover Thanksgiving meal and transfer it to a new delicious quiche. Okay, first of all, we're gonna prepare our pie crust. So if you have this out from, purchase one of these prefabricated pie crusts. It comes in 2 pie crusts, so you can actually do 2 quiche if you want. Now from the direction on the back, they suggest you to take this, if it's from the freezer, you take it out for 15 minutes. And then you wanna kind of puncture a lot of holes here using a fork, because we're gonna put this into the oven for 375 degrees. And we're going to bake the pie crust here first. So you wanna puncture as many holes as possible. Okay, so now we're gonna put this into the oven. All right, so in go to the oven, and it's suggested to bake it for 12 to 15 minutes first. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're gonna get started with our quiche, the fillings here. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack 4 eggs here. Okay, add in your 1/4 cup of the milk here. Okay, I usually add in 1 teaspoon of oil here. And go ahead and add in your cornstarch. Okay, so give this a good whisk. Okay, so we're gonna add in our parsley flakes. All right, so you can add in your desired amount of black pepper. And then you're gonna add in rest of the ingredients here. Okay, so let's do the cheese here first. And then the vegetables. And then followed by the ham. Okay, this is a very good, very filling quiche that I made here. Lots of ingredients. All right, so I bought my quiche here, the pie. So now we're gonna pour it into the pie here. All right, just spread them out a little bit. All right, so now we're gonna put it into the oven again for 350 degrees, and we're gonna continue to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, so we have the quiche, and we're now gonna put it in carefully. And we'll come back in 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so after cooking for 45 minutes, let's take out our quiche here and let's take a look. And you want to use a toothpick or something like this, okay? I have a wooden skillet, skewer, just point. Just poke it, and then nice and clean. So that looks good. Okay, so now we're ready to take this out. So at the end of every episode of Restaurant Remake, I am going to review my food. So let's cut it first. And I'm gonna take a piece out and I'm gonna test it out. And if you have watched here so far and you've enjoyed watching my recipe, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the like button here as well. All right, so let's take out our quiche, a slice of it. Okay, and I'm gonna show it to you, how it came out. Look how beautiful this is. Can't wait to take a bite. So that's just a perfect piece. Okay, so my mouth is already watery and I just can't wait to dig in. So let's go ahead and take a bite here. Oh, cheese. Okay, let's go for it. Very flavorful. Now, I didn't put any additional sauce because the ham, and when I seasoned the collard green, there was already seasoning, so it's like enough, flavor. I added pepper and parsley flake. Oh my goodness, this is so good. You gotta try this recipe at home. Just take a bunch of leftovers from your Thanksgiving meal. You can do turkey in substitution with my ham. And you can take like the creamy spinach. I know you probably have some leftover of creamy spinach, so put that in, amazing. So you have to try this out at home. It's super easy. It's such a nice breakfast the day after Thanksgiving, or just a couple of days after Thanksgiving, just to remind you, all the warmth and comfy and all the time that you spent with your family. It just like reminds you of all of that, and it's just super yummy. So if you like this video, please go ahead and click the like button. And again, if you have not yet subscribed to the Food Travel Shopping channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time on Restaurant Remake. Bye!